Make an emergency candle that never goes out following these simple steps. We will start by using a small glass container, similar to the one shown on the screen. First, we will place some decorative stones in the container, and then we will add water until it reaches the level of the stones. Later, we will fill the container with vegetable oil, the same that is commonly used for cooking. Next, we will add about 5 drops of essential oil or any other flavoring of your choice. The next step involves taking a plastic bottle, and with the help of a cutter, cut the bottom of the bottle in a circular way, following the guide shown on the screen. Then, we will use scissors to cut the edges of the bottom of the bottle. Next, with a hot welder, we will make a hole right in the center of the plastic piece. Then, we will take a piece of thick napkin and roll it until it acquires the shape of a wick. We will pass this wick through the hole we made previously, as shown on the screen, and then we will place it in the glass container that we had prepared. And that's it! The candle will be ready to use. You will only need a lighter to light it. You can place it in the living room, the bathroom, the bedroom, or any other place you want. This candle will last a long time lit, and will also serve to flavor the environment. If you made it this far, leave candle emojis so that I know you saw the full video. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.